Need to uninstall an application from your Mac computer, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to uninstall apps on Mac. Now let's get started. The first way to uninstall an app on your Mac computer is to open your Launchpad. Then click and hold down the icon of an app you want to remove. Click the X icon that appears in the corner. In the pop-up menu, click Delete. Click in the empty space on your Launchpad to exit this mode. The other way to uninstall apps on Mac is to open your Finder and click Applications on the left. Then right-click on the name of an app you want to delete and select Move to Trash. Right-click on your trash can at the bottom and select Empty Trash. That's all it takes to uninstall apps on your Mac computer. For more helpful Mac tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Mac tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.